What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have a technical analysis on PIVX here. Currently up 1.5% for the day, sitting at $6.03. For those of you that don't know what PIVX is an open source cryptocurrency focused on private transaction with low fees and an environmental footprint. So basically, utilizing a custom proof of stake system for securing network, and it also rewards its stakeholders and its masternodes 90% of its block size. PIVX's goal is pretty much to provide full-time private transactions and fair governance and an intelligent community. But before we look at their website and do a technical analysis on PIVX, guys, let's go ahead and look at the market. Market cap sitting at 456 billion. Today's volume is 18.5, or just below 18.5 billion. Bitcoin dominance 40.9. So slowly gaining its dominance back, almost up 1% for the day. Looks like we're finally coming back up to that 11,000 resistance. Ethereum down almost 2%, Ripple down almost 2%, Bitcoin Cash down 1%, Litecoin down 2%, Neo down 3%, Cardano down 4%, Lumens down 5%, Monero up 8%. Monero hard fork coming soon, guys. Look out for that. IOTA down 4%, Dash down 2%, NEM down 4%, Tron up almost 14% there, VeChain down almost 9%, wow. Nano down 5%, List down 5%, Omisi Go down almost 6%. Who are the big losers today? Big winners next. Damn, man. Revain down 20%, Electronium down almost 10%, Doge down almost 10%, Polymath, I haven't done my research on that one. Video for that coming soon though. But let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin price action really quick though, guys. Bitcoin looks like it's about to break 11,000. 11 almost. The zone I'm looking for it to break is 11,770. Looks like we're coming for 11,300 here. Momentum definitely looking like it shifted towards the upside here. I'm expecting Bitcoin to make its run up to about 14,000. And then once we get to 14,000, maybe consolidate for a little bit, and then they expect the altcoins to make a run. We look at Ethereum here. Ethereum is still kind of consolidating, stuck in this nice little tight range. Let me go ahead and draw that box actually. Stuck in this nice little price. I feel like we're going to be in this little zone until Bitcoin hits another resistance, and then the altcoins are going to be taking off. People are going to just kind of be shifting their profits around. Litecoin here kind of doing the same thing, still consolidating here. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour shows us. Litecoin looking like we want to form a double bottom here. This would be bottom 1. This could potentially be bottom 2. We have a nice wick. So it looks like we've definitely starting to see some exhaustion here. Momentum looking like it's slowly starting to slow down. Look like we could possibly be shifting towards the upside. This could be the start of an uptrend here, guys. That's not the line I wanted. There we go. Bounce 1, bounce 2, possibly bounce 3 here. We're going to have to wait and see how that plays out. Let me go ahead and delete this line. But you guys came here for some PIVX technical analysis. PIVX's market cap is currently sitting at 335 million. Today's volume 2.2 million. Circulating supply 55.6 million. Major exchanges here, guys, are Bittrex, Binance, Upbit, Binance again, Trade by Trade, and Cryptopia looks like are the major exchanges there. But let's go ahead and look at their website before we dive into some price action, because this is the first time we actually do a technical analysis video on PIVX. So what is PIVX? Get PIVX, PIVX community about us. Built for fast, secure, and private transactions, your zero coin protocol technology driven by our passionate community and dedicated development team. Download the wallet there if you guys are interested. Zero coin plus PIVX. Privacy meets proof of stake. I like that. Secure, built on Bitcoin Core. First proof of stake currency to use 0.10x Bitcoin Core at launch, now updated to 0.15. 60-second block time, nice. Is that the last one? Incognito. PIVX is the first truly anonymous proof of stake cryptocurrency by utilizing zero coin protocol as our transaction protocol. So I have heard of PIVX before, but the reason I haven't done a video is that I haven't really got it requested, and it's not really on my portfolio. However, PIVX is a great coin. What I hear a lot of people kind of compare it to, as in not like technology wise, but more of a speaking of masternode perspective, is they kind of compare this coin to Dash, saying this could be the next Dash masternode. I wouldn't be surprised. So far, pretty good. You know, I like the technology behind it so far. Let's go ahead and keep scrolling through their website. Private instant verified transaction. Latest news here if you guys want to go through that. Wallets here for Windows, Mac, Linux, GitHub, and the mobile wallet. Nice. They got it for Android. Hopefully they got it for iOS coming soon. If you want to get PIVX, go ahead and, oh, look, Masternode. Let's go ahead and look at that, actually. And then after we check out this Masternode, guys, we're going to head over to some price action. Welcome to PIVX Masternode. So go ahead and watch the video, guys, if you guys are interested. Let's see. What is a Masternode? No. I just want to see. Let's see. I want more. In order to run a PIVX Masternode, you must dedicate 10,000 PIVX to the network. However, these coins remain yours and never leave your possession. Think of it like pledging 10,000 PIVX to support the network. So 10,000 PIVX at $6, obviously, you know, it's a lot of money. Most of us don't have that money. That'd be $60,000 plus dollars, you know, and fees. So, you know, a little bit more than that. But, you know, you got to start somewhere. You know, this is definitely a coin that I would look to add to your masternode list. If you're interested in masternodes, it's a great way to create a passive income. But, you know, you can just slowly start to add to your positions and eventually maybe get to 10,000. Who knows? You know, maybe you'll find another coin that's more interesting. If you guys think I should do a video on best coins to do masternodes, go ahead and comment that down below. Ooh, excuse me, I thought I had to burp. They got a whole little masternode setup here too if you need help with that. But let's go ahead and look at some price action because that's what you guys came here for. So I'm looking at the weekly here. I have all of these support zones and resistance drawn out. Major resistance here from about 150, or sorry, 15,000, and then 13,000 here. 90. No, see, I was wrong. I knew I was wrong. 150,000. There we go. 114,000, and then resistance here at 90,000. Another resistance here at 70,000. Support here at about 50,000, and then another support here at about 25,000. But what I'm seeing here, guys, on the weekly is this could be bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3. Looks like this week here we bounced off this trend line. We're heading towards the upside. If we go ahead and zoom in a little bit, you can tell this candle did form a higher low. So, you know, this could be the beginning of an uptrend, but let's go ahead and look at the daily, see what the daily shows us. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Daily showing me something very attractive here, guys. Maybe you see it, maybe you don't. This is what I'm seeing here. Go ahead and take out my little paintbrush. I'm actually, you know, PIVX wasn't on my portfolio, but maybe, you know, after reading its, going through its website and now looking at its price action even closer, might have to add this to my portfolio really quick. Looks like we got a nice, I messed that up. Take my paintbrush out again. Looks like we got a nice little W here forming though. So what I'm expecting here from PIVX is bottom 1, bottom 2 here. Expecting us to come up to at least, if not 62,000, maybe about 60,000, and then make a small retracement and then head towards the upside. But PIVX definitely looks like it's getting ready to take off here in 2018. Where do I see PIVX going? Oops, let me zoom out. Where do I see PIVX going in 2018? Cool. I think PIVX, by the time, you know, late 2018, I think PIVX can easily be, oh, I didn't even have it marked out. Wow, shame. PIVX can easily be a 200,000 Satoshi coin here. This is just my personal opinion. I know it's a lot, you know, 10,000 PIVX to get a masternode, but it is a, you know, way cheaper alternative compared to Dash. So that might bring a lot of investor attention, but it definitely has my attention. So if you guys are looking to add PIVX to your portfolio, that would probably be a good time. I'm thinking it's going to be a 200 Satoshi here coin by the end of 2018, but it's just my personal opinion. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see, upvote, and if you guys are on YouTube, I'm telling you guys need to jump on Steam it, the social media of the future. But if you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, post notifications are turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.